It's hot.
Yeah! Get up!
What is up, T.O.Gs? I'm here today on this warm summer day, but I did want to talk to you guys about something very important. Now, if you've been away from riding for a while, or you just got your license, there's one skill, one thing in particular that could save your life.
Saved your life? Oh, you guys made me eat.
And I mean, I'm being funny here, but it could very literally save your life if you adhere to this single principle when you ride. And that principle is, look where you want to go. Now, this seems so simple, and this seems like a really generic or a term that doesn't even sound like something that means anything at all. Look where you want to go. But I'll tell you this, that if you're concerned about hitting this middle divider and you're getting close to it and all you're doing is looking at it, guess where you're going to end up? Right in that divider, or in that tree right there. So, if there's one principle of riding that as a new rider, or as somebody just getting back into it, needs to know, it's look where you want to go. It's so simple. Your eyes tell your body where to go. It's a simple principle. It's biology or physics or science.
I believe in science.
So, take my word for it. This is the most important thing that you need to know as far as riding principles, is look where you want to go. Put it into practice, try it out, take your bike as we're going to show you here, because I'm going to take you guys right to where it all started. I'm going to take you guys to the parking lot where that one guy's love of motorcycle riding came to fruition. That's right, it's the parking lot where they do the MSF riding course.
A few inches later.
I'm turning here into this parking lot. Where am I going to look? Boom! I want to look at the parking lot. That's where I want to go. Okay. This is where it all began. 10 years ago. You can see the lines. And you see what we're going to do here. And we're not even going to get into the principle of turning, where you need to start on the outside, go to the inside, and then outside. We're just going to show you. Look where you want to go. Boom. Start on the outside, look where you want to go. Boom. Outside, inside, outside. Boom. Outside, inside, outside. Accelerate through the turn. Obviously, there's more to it than just looking where you want to go. But that is the most important thing that I'm doing. You know, all of these other things, all these technical things about riding, about starting on the outside of the turn and then making it to the inside, ending on the outside, and then accelerating through. Yes, these are all important things, but if I'm not looking where I'm going, like just for instance right there, I just kind of lost my train of thought and I started looking off. That's where I went. If I'm not looking where I want to go, I won't go there. And that is my rider tip for you today. It was so simple. It may seem so trivial, but it is the single most important thing you will do when you ride a motorcycle. I mean, you might not think that not looking where you want to go won't cause you to get in an accident, but I can 100% guarantee you, if you do not practice this, that it will eventually result in an accident. Will it end up in a horrible body mutilating accident? Maybe, maybe not. My point is that, hey, you know what? This road's closed.
Squirrel!
We're gonna rebel against the signs and say road's closed. I sure hope there's not dirt on the road. Wouldn't that be something? If there was a reason for those road closed signs. I'm just pretend like I live over here. That should make it all work. Be just fine. We'll take it easy though, since the say road's closed. But these are some of my favorite turns in my neighborhood. Oh, see, there's a little bit of loose gravel on the road. Yeah, this is not the best idea. At any rate, guys, oh yeah, we're not getting into that. That is why it's closed. Oh, there we go. Slow speed turn. Did you notice what I did there? What did I do? I looked where I wanted to go. And that's where we're going to end it, guys. If you like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up down there, which is the like button. And if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button. Guys, if you're out there riding, be safe. And if you're not riding, get riding. I'm that one guy, and I am out.